Setting up an automatic campaign inside PPC Entourage can be done quickly and easily inside of Campaign Creator. We are going to click on Campaign Creator, and you're going to see that there is a spot here to name your campaign. We're going to call it the automatic campaign for nail file or nail clippers. Okay, and you're going to set a daily budget, let's say $25, and you could have a start date of whatever date and then end date. And we're going to click on Automatic Campaign, and then click on Continue to the next step. We're going to name this Add Group 1 and select the product that we want to add to this automatic campaign. We're then going to set the default bid to, let's say, 50 cents or so. I recommend at least 75 cents. So let's go to 89 cents. Sounds like a good number. And then we are going to click on Save and Continue, and then you are all done.